Hi, this is Amanda Armstrong, business librarian for Arapahoe Libraries, and today I'm going to talk about how you can use custom locations in Simply Analytics. So to get started, when you log into Simply Analytics with your Arapahoe library card, you will get this new project option, and you'll see here that you can choose or search for a state, a county, city, zip code, census tract, block group, or address. So what if you want to do a radius or a combination of cities that might be, for instance, the Southern Denver Metro? Well, if that's the case, we are going to skip this box. We are still going to go to next because I want to get a couple values to have in our data. So we'll go ahead and create this project with the seed variables. Interesting. I wonder why it didn't. There they are. Good deal. I just had to choose comparison table. Always recommend starting with comparison table because it lets you choose multiple variables. Just pro tip there. So now let's get to those radiuses. So if we go to the location button up here in the top left, you'll see there's a location search. Skip that. Go to show for custom locations and then choose create new radius location. And then what you're going to do is you're going to enter an address. So this is the address for the Eloise May Library in Arapahoe Libraries. And we're going to do an address search. And then you'll see it gives you the geographies that that address is included in. And when you're going to do a radius, I probably would recommend census tract or block group because those will be the two smallest. And then next up, you want to name this because you won't get a chance to rename it. And the automatic name is not helpful. It's really gobbledygook. So go ahead and choose that. And we're actually going to do all three because usually when you're doing these radius, you're going to be looking at like the 1, 3, and 5 miles. So 3-mile radius. And then lastly, we're going to do the 5-mile. Someday they will hopefully automate this, but this is pretty okay. It doesn't take a ton of time. Okay, so we've got that 1, 3, and 5-mile radius. We'll take US out of there and we'll go, oh, hit done. Interesting. I don't remember it working like that. I thought it just automatically populated before. Wonder if that's a new feature. And really important fact here. You might be noticing that the median household income is not filled in. I have checked with Simply Analytics. This is intentional. Based on how this field is calculated, they're not able to provide it for a radius, uh, the median household income, that is. So that's just something to know if you're going to use the radius. You may want to consider other options for your geographic area if someone's really interested in a radius. Now, as I mentioned, you can also combine locations. So, for example, if we go again to locations, custom locations, and then create new combination location, you can come in here and actually start entering in the names of things you can search for. Ah, I got a little ahead of myself. You name your location and then you start searching. So we're going to add Littleton, we're going to add Centennial, we're going to add Greenwood Village, we're going to add Lone Tree, and I don't live in the Southern Metro, so I'm probably going to miss a city or two. Please forgive me. But we've got quite a few of them here, and this is just a demo. So now we can actually save, and you can see now we've got our South Denver Metro as a location as well. So this is how you can start creating those custom locations. And I do want to point out, interesting thing here, if you click on one of them, you'll see the custom locations you cannot rename. Fun fact though, if you go grab something like the city of Littleton, check this out. You can add an alias. So this is just a little factoid about these. The other thing I want to point out is once you've created your custom locations, you can go in here and see all of them and select or unselect them. You can also delete them. Which you might want to do if you forget to give your 1, 3, and 5-mile radius. You might have to delete one of them so you can redo it and give it the right name. So that's how you do custom locations in Simply Analytics. I hope this is helpful. Please be sure to refer to my other videos if you have questions about just getting started, setting up a table, and accessing Simply Analytics. Thanks, and I hope you have a great day.